Today we're exploring some truly surprising ways to use one of the most common items in our kitchen, rice. But we're not cooking today. Instead, I'll show you some clever hacks that might just make rice your new favorite household helper. Let's jump right in. Keep spices fresh. First up, let's talk about moisture. Rice is a natural desiccant, which means it's great at absorbing unwanted moisture. This can come in handy in more ways than you might think. For instance, sprinkle a small amount of rice in your salt shaker or store it with your spices. It keeps them from clumping up, especially in humid summer weather. Just a tablespoon of rice in these containers can make a big difference and keeps your spices ready to use. Save wet electronics. Next, let's tackle a bigger rescue mission, saving your electronic devices. Drop your phone in the pool? Oh no! No problem. Here's a quick fix that might just save your tech. First, turn off your device immediately and remove the battery if you can. Then bury it in a bowl of uncooked rice. Make sure the device is completely covered in rice. The rice will absorb the moisture and could bring your device back from the brink. Leave it in the rice for at least 24 hours, longer if you can resist the temptation to check if it's working. This trick isn't guaranteed, but it's definitely worth a shot before you head to a repair shop or have to purchase a new one. Blender blade sharpener. Moving on, did you know that rice can make your blender blades sharp? That's right. No need for fancy equipment here. Just take a cup of rice, pour it into your blender, and blitz it on high for a couple of minutes. The fine grains help sharpen and clean the blades, keeping them in top condition. Plus, it's a quick and easy way to clean out any lingering odors or residues from past blends. DIY heat packs. Now, let's put rice to another comforting use, a DIY heat pack. This is perfect for those chilly nights or when you need a little relief from aches and pains. Let's get crafting. First, choose a soft fabric. Cotton works great because it's breathable and easy to sew. Cut it into 2 equal-sized pieces. A size of about 12 by 6 inches is ideal for a versatile heat pack. Once your fabric is cut, place the 2 pieces together with the insides facing each other. Sew around the edges but leave one side open so you can add the rice. If you're not into sewing, you can use fabric glue or even iron-on hemming tape to seal the edges. Next, turn the fabric right side out through the opening you left. Now it's time to fill it with rice. Pour uncooked rice into your fabric pouch, but don't overfill it. You want the heat pack to be flexible enough to wear around your neck, shoulder, or wherever you need some soothing heat. After filling, carefully sew or glue the open edge shut. Make sure it's secure so no rice can escape. And there you have it, your very own homemade heat pack. To heat it up, just pop it in the microwave for about a minute or 2. Be careful not to overheat. Always check the temperature before applying it to your skin to avoid burns. And that's how you create a simple, reusable heat pack with just rice and fabric. It's an easy, eco-friendly solution for comfort and relief. Try making one tonight and see how much cozier life can be. Prevent tools from rusting. Let's switch gears a bit and head over to the workshop, where rice comes to our rescue once again. This time, we're using it to help prevent our tools from rusting. It's a simple trick that can extend the life of your tools, especially in humid environments. Keeping your tools rust-free is crucial for anyone who enjoys DIY projects or just needs their tools to last. Humidity is the biggest challenge, but rice can absorb that excess moisture, keeping your tools in top shape. Here's what you do. Take a breathable bag, like a sock or a small fabric pouch, and fill it with rice. You don't need a lot, just a handful. Tie it off so the rice won't spill out. Now place this rice bag in your toolbox, tool chest, or wherever you store your tools. The rice acts as a dehumidifier, pulling in moisture from the air around your tools, which helps prevent rust from forming. Change out the rice bag every month or so, depending on your local humidity levels. This will ensure that it continues to absorb moisture effectively. It's a small step that can make a big difference in maintaining the condition of your tools. And there you have it. A quick, easy, and economical way to protect your tools from rust with a bit of rice. It's amazing how something as simple as rice can be such a game changer in the workshop. Thanks for visiting with us today and watching. Try these tips out and let us know how it goes in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel to discover empowering and cost-effective home and health wisdom that keeps you one step ahead and the envy of your friends and neighbors. Hit that notification bell for more practical tips and hacks. And as always, please be wise, be well, and take care.